Okay guys, today I want to show you something. A lot of people are fretting about drilling the hose in kayaks, and I understand that. I don't want to drill a bunch of holes in my kayaks either. But there is a way to fix them, and that's by welding them. What I have here is a Hobbyco. It's iron that I used to use when I flew remote control airplanes to put monocoat on it. It's a 170 watt Hobbyco. I have it turned all the way up to the max setting of 4 on high. And what I'm going to do, I've got these two little holes right here. I've already patched a couple of them to make sure. It's the first time I've ever done this, so not an expert, but we're gonna show you how to do it. What I've had is I had a 1-inch ball mount around here, and I'm going to fill in these holes right here. But I want to show you real quick. This isn't rocket scientist. This is easy enough to do, and if I can do it, guys, anybody can do it. What I'm going to do, the two holes that are left right here, I'm going to take the iron, get a little bit of cord there. I'm going to take the iron, I'm just going to gently go over the top of it. I'm just going to massage it just a little bit to get the kayak warm. And that just about filled that one in right there. But what I have is a little piece of material that I got from the place that I bought the kayak, Mariner Sales. They had a color swatch that was the same material that the Outback is made of, and I'm just setting it on top of it, letting the iron set on top of it, and just melt it down. Now, after I get a little bit off onto the iron and onto the kayak, I'm just gently going down in circles, just massaging that around, just manipulating the plastic a little bit, and that's about it, guys. It's completely sealed. You can barely see that repair at all on there. We've got one more. Again, this is just a swatch that I cut in half. It's just a color sample that you can get from the kayak manufacturer. It's pretty thick. It looks like maybe 1/8 inch thick, but I just cut a piece off of it. And all I'm doing, we're just go ahead and do this other one. I got one more to do. I'm just going to set the iron on top of this, and I'm just going to gently go across, and just, you don't want to get too hot because you obviously don't want to go through the kayak. Just get it warmed up a little bit, and take this little swatch and just set it down right on top of that, and then set the iron on top of that. Now it'll start to heat up, and it'll start to burn through that little swatch. And just what your goal is just to get just a little bit of extra plastic in there. You just fill in that hole, and after you get it on there, just gently go across it. You're not putting very much pressure on there, just gently going across it, and just rub it. You can see it's starting to melt in, starting to fill that hole a little bit. And if you get any extra on there, you can come back and you can scrape that off. But guys, that's a simple and easy fix right there. Had a few holes there, and like I say, it's not rocket science. This is pretty easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it too. But anyway, just want to let you know, a heads up on there. There is some easy fix to repairing these holes. Don't burn through the kayak, but if you take your time, you can fill these holes, and no harm done for drilling through them. You can fix them again. Anyway, good luck. We'll see you out on the water. Bye.